Welcome to Nutri-Coach TV. Today, we will look into avocado and its health benefits. Avocado is a unique fruit that is not only creamy and delicious, but also offers a wide range of health benefits. Here are 14 health benefits of avocado. 1. Nutrient-rich. Avocado is packed with essential nutrients, including healthy fats, vitamins such as vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin E, and several B vitamins, minerals such as potassium and magnesium, and dietary fiber. 2. Heart healthy. The monounsaturated fats in avocados can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. 3. Weight management. Despite being high in calories, avocados can help with weight management. The fiber and healthy fats in avocados help you feel fuller for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. 4. Blood sugar regulation. Avocados have a low glycemic index and are rich in fiber, which can help stabilize blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. 5. Eye health. Avocado contains lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that are beneficial for eye health and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. 6. Skin nourishment. The healthy fats and antioxidants in avocados can nourish the skin from within, promoting a healthy complexion and reducing the signs of aging. 7. Digestive health. The high fiber content of avocados supports a healthy digestive system and can help prevent constipation. 8. Anti-inflammatory properties. Avocados contain various compounds that have anti-inflammatory effects, which may help reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions. 9. Improved nutrient absorption. Certain nutrients are better absorbed when consumed with healthy fats. The presence of healthy fats in avocados can enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and other nutrients. 10. Bone health. Avocados contain essential nutrients like vitamin K, copper, and folate, which are important for maintaining strong bones and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. 11. Mood and brain health. The monounsaturated fats in avocados support brain health and may help improve mood and cognitive function. 12. Cancer prevention. Avocados are rich in antioxidants and phytochemicals that may help protect against certain types of cancer, such as breast and prostate cancer. 13. Anti-aging properties. The antioxidants in avocados can help protect cells from oxidative damage and reduce the signs of aging. 14. Immune system support. Avocados are a good source of vitamin C, vitamin E, and other antioxidants that support a healthy immune system and help the body fight off infections. Incorporating avocados into your diet can be a nutritious and delicious way to enjoy these health benefits. From adding slices to salads and sandwiches to making guacamole, there are plenty of ways to enjoy the goodness of avocados. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, kindly follow Nutri-Coach TV on Facebook, TikTok, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.